If you want to insert out videos in your design in Prezi Design project, then on the left side you can see add video is an option. So over here what you can do is you can click on upload MP4 video file, select out a video file that you want and click on open, and what happens is that the video is loaded out right here, as you can see. And on the right side you have different transparency settings, loop settings right here, where you can let the video play only once or keep it looping right here. You can also show video player options right here, as you can see. You can resize this out and place the video however you like. And on the video option here, you can see that you can click on video covers as well, and then set out for some video covers that you may want to insert this out right here. So you can also click on back right here, and here you can see you also have an option to insert out videos from YouTube or Vimeo. So if you were to click on this, you can search Vimeo or enter URL, and same goes for YouTube as well. So let's just go around onto YouTube over here. And now what I'm going to go around is copy and paste out a YouTube URL. So I'm going to go around over here onto enter YouTube URL area and then paste this out right here. So once I do that, you can see that the preview of that particular video is here now, as you can see. So now I can click on insert, and what happens is that the YouTube video is inserted, as you can see right here. So you get the YouTube video controls over here, with the other people will able to play out. So for the YouTube video, however, you got different options. You only have transparency options, as you can see right here. And that is how you can insert out videos inside of a Prezi Design project. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.